After Illinois public health officials announced over 12,000 new or probable COVID-19 cases yesterday, stricter rules for everyone around the state go into effect this week. So what's going to change? Well, retail stores and fitness centers will only be allowed to have 25% of their capacity. Grocery stores will be limited to 50%, and casinos and museums will be forced to close. These new rules begin on Friday. Governor Pritzker says if coronavirus numbers don't improve, he will declare a stay-at-home order, which would shut down many businesses. Here in Chicago, an estimated 1 in every 15 people has COVID-19, and the city's top doctor has her own words of caution.
CBS 2's Mugo Odigwe is live outside Northwestern Memorial Hospital to break down what the numbers could mean moving forward. Good morning, Mugo.
Good morning, Audrina and Ryan. Right now, city data shows that hospital beds are filling up, some of them with COVID-19 patients, which is why health officials are urging people to take the surge seriously. This, as the city's positivity rate is now at 15.9%, up from 13.6% last week. So health officials are encouraging people to follow the city's stay-at-home advisory, which went into effect on Monday. It strongly suggests that people stay indoors except for important activities like work or grocery shopping. Then there's travel. Right now, only 3 U.S. states, Maine, Vermont, and Hawaii, are not included in Chicago's latest emergency travel order, which now requires anyone arriving from high-risk COVID-19 states to self-quarantine for 14 days or, in some cases, test negative before returning to Chicago.
But the bottom line, you should not be traveling. Right now, COVID is surging across the entire United States. And you run the risk of bringing COVID with you if you're traveling from Chicago and from really almost across the country. People who are traveling are coming from places where COVID is surging.
And here is something else to consider. Dr. Awadi says if things continue the way they are right now, we could be hitting 4,000 COVID-19 cases per day by Thanksgiving. We're live in Streeterville. Mugo Odigwe, CBS 2 News.